Her grandson. He's in emergency surgery.
Change your clothes right now, Mia. That place is completely boring. You cannot wear that to church. I am not changing my clothes. Mia, please show some basic respect. Nobody cares what I wear, Kathy. I have no energy for this. Good, then let us just go. Grab your keys, let us leave. Let's go quickly.
Yes, Mom.
Mia, spit that gum out now! No, I bought it myself, Kathy. Please, do not embarrass me here. You are embarrassing yourself right now. It is incredibly disrespectful to chew. It is just gum. Calm down. Just ignore her. Let us go. You will regret this attitude, Mia. Yeah, right. I highly doubt that. I'm honestly so bored. I just propped my feet up for a bit to relieve the fatigue, but everyone kept staring.
Brothers and sisters, we gather here today to reflect on the nature of community.
I just want to go home, but it's truly pointless.
See? It is beautiful in here.
It is okay, I guess, Kathy. I'm honestly so bored sitting here.
Put those keys away right now.
I am just playing with them.
You are ruining the service, Mia.
Do not touch my stuff, Mom!
I cannot handle this today, Mia.
Hey, yeah, I am at church.
Are you completely insane right now? Sit down and shut your mouth! I am leaving this stupid place.
Nice kami, the Bridquat. Look at her crying like a baby.
You are a monster sometimes, Mia. She is just being super dramatic. Don't you have a heart? Her 5-year-old grandson was in a crash. What are you talking about, Kathy? The car accident from the news. He is in emergency surgery today. She's so pitiful. Are you going to behave now?
Yes, Mom.
I am really sorry, Mom. She's amazing. I deeply regret my actions. Please let me help you, ma'am.
God bless your warm heart, child.
Thank you. Please take care, ma'am. That sounds really good to me. Are you feeling okay now, Mia? Yes, I really am, thank you.
Let us go get some lunch.